Hi, this is the OnePlus Pad and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first we should hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and now we could see here the new created home screen folder. By this way we could add here more applications to add new apps to our folder. To rename it, just click once on the name and enter the new one. Then just tap to OK to save the changes. Also, you could hold it for a while and okay, so here we could enlarge the folder or to shrink to make it smaller. I'll just give a normal name to this folder. So to move folder here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it by this way. If you wanna remove the application from here, you should hold it and drag it to the home screen if you wanna stay with the app on the home screen. But if you wanna remove it from the whole folder from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon. But don't worry, you'll remove only the shortcut. You will stay with this app in the apps menu. Also, if you wanna remove the folder only, you should just hold the folder and tap to remove folder, and don't worry, you will stay with these apps here. But if you wanna remove, for example, folder and applications together, just hold it and just tap to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.